Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi, my name is Rushikesh Mune and I am from Zil College of Engineering and Research. And today our topic is vapor compression used in refrigeration system. Project abstract. The vapor compression refrigeration cycle is nearly 200 years old, but does not seem ready to leave the scene anytime soon. While some people have viewed this method as environmentally harmful and efficient, the cycle is still applicable in the industrial space. Natural gas plants, petroleum refiners, and petrochemical plants and most of the food or beverage process are some of the industrial plants that utilize vapor compression refrigeration system. The term compression. The vapor compression refrigeration cycle involves four components: compressor, condenser, expansion valve and evaporator. It is the compression process whose aim is to raise the refrigerant pressure as it flows from an evaporator. The high pressure refrigerant flows through a condenser heat exchanger before attending the initial low pressure and going back to the evaporator. A more detailed explanation of the steps is as explained below. Steps in vapor compression used in refrigeration system. Step 1, compression. Step 2, condensation. Step 3, throttling and expansion. Step 4, evaporation. Problems in the vapor compression cycle. Compressor failure. The failure of an industrial refrigeration compressor can be expensive affair to the company and damaging to the manufactured refrigeration. Often, manufacturer will tear down return compressor in search floods. Over year of studies, some common reasons of compressor fail have been identified to include lubrication problems, overheating, suckling, flood back, and contamination. Vapor compression refrigeration system applications. The application of vapor compression refrigeration system as follows. It is used in domestic refrigeration for keeping the food. It is harmful in food processing, the cold storage. It is useful in industrial refrigeration for chemical processing, heating and cooling. It is useful in cryogenic refrigeration, medical refrigeration, transport refrigeration, and electronic cooling. This is the explanation of the vapor compression refrigeration cycle in detailed way. Vapor compression refrigeration system advantages. The advantage of vapor compression refrigeration system as follows. The temperature at the evaporator station can be controlled employing and regulation of expansion valve. It exhibits high coefficient of performance. The running cost is low because the volume circulation of the refrigerant is low in the system. Vapor compression refrigeration system disadvantages. Make sure that there should no leakage of refrigerant from the pipes or hose. Refrigerant can affect the atmosphere. Third point, the cost of system is high.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.